Hello, y'all. Going for my workout. It's about 5 o'clock. It's 102 degrees. I'm about to go get this track workout in. Hopefully, I can make it through. Let's see, I got on this weight vest. I think I took it down to around 15 pounds, 20 pounds, maybe. I'm not sure how much each of those little bars weigh. But I'm going to try to get through 3 rounds of a 200-meter sprint, some push-ups, some donkey kicks, some Superman flies, and some squats. So that's the plan. Prayerfully, I'll make it through and make it back home in one piece. So I'll see you after my workout. So I'm back. As y'all can see, I survived. Barely. That weight vest is hell, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, that weight vest is hell. That's my air conditioner blowing. I did the remote start, so y'all know it blows heavy to cool off the car. And right now I'm very so hot. It's 102 out there. My workout, I would say, did well. I didn't do exactly everything that was in the track workout. I did do 3 rounds of, I want to say I did 100 meters. Damn, trying to run with that vest on. Whew. I would say the first 2 go-arounds I did sprint, but the third one, I was like done. I did 2 sets of 10 push-ups, a set of 25 squats, leg raises, and butterfly sit-ups. That was in 15 Superman. And then the second set I did after, which really wasn't a second set, but I did the second 200 run, and then from there I did 15 Supermans after that. And what else did I do? The butterfly sit-ups. And then the third sprint that run, it wasn't a sprint, I did, and then I just did 10 sit-ups, 10 push-ups, and glute bridges. I did 20 glute bridges. I thought they was about to leave because I saw the football players leaving, so I wasn't sure if they was going to lock the walking gate. This school is over, so sometimes the drive-through for you to get into the parking lot is open, but most of the times in the summer it's not open, so I can't park in the parking lot. They have an automated gate where you can get out on the other side of the school that the buses and stuff go through, and the staff. So if they was to lock the gate, I could still get out, but if they lock the walking gate, I'm going to be up the creek if everybody's going home. So all I had time to do was the third 200 run and push-ups and then the glute bridges. But that was enough for me, especially with that weight vest. So I don't feel bad about not going through the workout, but I will show y'all dinner later. Back at you. Hello, I am back with dinner. So what we have here is the rest of my barbecue short ribs from yesterday. It's about 3 or 4 ounces left. A hamburger that I had put aside for myself we made on Memorial Day, Monday. And I just heated it up in some, is it Primal Kitchen unsweetened steak sauce. And then I have 8 carrots and a cup of broccoli. My calories are pretty low today. I was supposed to have fish, but I'm gonna save that till tomorrow. But basically my total calories, if I drink the kettle and fire chicken stock tonight, if I get hungry, it'll be 1024 in total calories, 54 grams in carbs. That's because I had a banana with my protein shake, and that's total carbs. My protein is 91. I would have liked to have gotten it up to at least 124, where it should be, but I didn't. And my fat is 52 grams, which is not bad out of 119. So, yeah, that's what I have. So maybe no. Yeah, so this is dinner. Workout went great. Was tired, but I feel good. So until tomorrow, I'll see you then. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share out if you have somebody or that is also looking to lose weight, eat healthy while doing it. And I'll see you next time. Peace.